I don't know why there's a weird symbol on the camera flashing on and off. Oh, anyway, I'm going to rerun the whole thing, which is often what I do, just to consolidate. It's still fitting the stone. It's all okay. I just want to rerun to clean it up a bit. And I might just squeeze that when it's molten. So now that it's all joined together, it's all one deal, so it's going to heat up. There's nothing going to heat up faster than the other because it's joined. What I'd like to see is just one clean run of solder all the way around the piece. See? One nice clean run. There's that little one. You always have to gauge the risk factor. Is it worth it? What's the risk when you heat up again and do stuff and tweak, you know, because the whole thing can fall apart. Joy of the jeweler. Done. I'm not going to mess with that anymore. So there you go, and it's all stayed pretty flat. Probably it's not going to bloody film because it's got this flashing icon anyway. So again, important, leave it to cool. If you want to speed up the cooling, lay it on something metal like that. Take the sting out of it before you put it in the acid. You know. Alright, so I'll get back to you when I'm finishing off. Next thing I'm going to pierce off this outside edge and make the chain that will hold this thing and get back to you. Okay, bye bye.